Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. It's our final day of our Tonic Studio cyber sale. Thank you so much everyone who's purchased over the course of the week. As you can agree with us, there's been some amazing bundles over the course of this week. And yeah, today is going to be no different. So I'm going to explain to you what we've got on the final day of our cyber sale week. First up today, we've got a stencil bundle. 7 beautifully detailed stencils at 60% off. A texture bundle next, and we've got 17 pods of our Nouveau Glimmer Paste at a full 70% off. Our final paper bundle of the week is our specialty paper. You get 11 bundles in total, 125 sheets at 70% off. And our final bundle of our cyber sale is our dot and drop bundle. There's 3 dot and drop die sets in there for you at 60% off. And there we have it. That has been the Tonic Studios cyber sale week. Thank you so much everyone who's joined us and picked up a bargain over this week. We hope you've enjoyed the discounts and we've loved sharing them with you.